that bitch.
I'm vaping on the Sigeli 150 with the Smog BTC Pro. Shit rips. I just decided to make a tutorial on making tornadoes. I've seen other tutorials, but they teach you a harder way to do them, and I have like a simple way, and I haven't seen a tutorial on it yet. This is the first one to my knowledge. That's going to teach you this method of making tornadoes, and literally you can do them every single time. It takes like 1 second. You can like amaze your friends, or I don't know, do something cool at a vape competition at your local vape stores. I don't know what you guys do, but whatever. Use it for whatever. Alright, the way that I see in other videos is more of a, and then you bring it up like that. Yeah, that works. You can get some really good tornadoes on it. I'm not bashing anyone for their videos or their techniques at the way they do it, you know, but yeah, my way is a little bit easier. I'll even give you a little preview. Every time, look. Alright, technique is pretty simple. If you didn't just see how I did it, use your left hand or your right hand, whichever hand you are, or you feel most comfortable with, and slide right on your pinky and give it a little flick, flip, just like that. And you'll make perfect tornadoes every single time, guaranteed. And if not, you can post in the comments down below. Like and subscribe if you like my videos. It's my first video and tutorial, so I'll even give you another little preview. Well, there it is. Yeah, like and subscribe. Bam!
Drop that bitch.